Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: natural solutions for plaque, cavities, and gingivitis. Dental health is crucial for overall well-being, and by understanding these natural remedies, you can take control of your oral health. So, let's dive right in. What is plaque, cavities, and gingivitis? Before we explore natural solutions, let's briefly understand the conditions we're discussing. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on our teeth. If not properly removed, it can lead to cavities, which are permanently damaged areas in the hard surface of the teeth. Gingivitis, on the other hand, is inflammation of the gums, usually caused by plaque buildup. The role of oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene is the foundation of preventing and managing plaque, cavities, and gingivitis. Brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and using mouthwash can significantly reduce the risk. But in addition to these practices, there are natural solutions you can incorporate into your routine. 1. Oil pulling. One natural solution that has gained attention is oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing oil in the mouth for a few minutes. Research conducted by Asokan et al. In 2009 demonstrated that oil pulling with sesame oil significantly reduced plaque and microbial count in the mouth. 2. The power of xylitol. Xylitol, a natural sweetener derived from plants, has shown promising results in preventing cavities. A study by McKinnon K.K. in 2016 found that chewing xylitol gum after meals reduced the risk of cavities by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. 3. Herbal remedies. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to promote oral health. One notable herb is neem. A study by Pradeep al. In 2012 showed that neem mouthwash effectively reduced plaque and gingivitis, comparable to a standard chlorhexidine mouthwash. 4. The benefits of green tea. Green tea, known for its numerous health benefits, can also contribute to oral health. The catechins present in green tea exhibit antimicrobial properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for plaque formation. A study by Mohan R. al. in 2011 confirmed these beneficial effects. 5. Probiotics for oral health. Probiotics are not only beneficial for gut health but also for maintaining oral health. A research paper by Kjeti M.G. al. in 2013 demonstrated that probiotic strains such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium reduced plaque formation and improved gum health. We've explored various natural solutions for plaque, cavities, and gingivitis, backed by scientific evidence. However, it's important to note that these remedies are not meant to replace professional dental care. Regular visits to your dentist and practicing good oral hygiene remain essential. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.